Namaste friends. As you can see and you can listen to the different sounds in the nature, the serenity, uh, uh, the harmony in the nature. I literally did not want to speak here because I felt that if I speak I would disturb the nature, the harmony. But I again thought that I should share uh, the kind of scenery, the kind of beauty of the nature that we are already into. We started our day with a morning hike in the area of our campsite. And this particular mountain is the mountain from which the waterfall flows down. So many of you have already come to our campsite and they have done waterfall rappelling or rappelling. So it's the same mountain, but we are on the top of it. And as you can see, this area has already turned into a paradise, a heaven, a pristine paradise, you can say. A lot of clouds are there, and we are already into the clouds, and we are part of clouds. And I know in Pune city or in cities there is no monsoon as such as of now, but this area being part of the Western Ghats is basically the home of uh, monsoon. This is the area from where we realize that monsoon is approaching. And this particular year, as I can see, I can sense, I can feel that this is going to be really a great monsoon throughout the year this time. I can see many symptoms here, and I know we all are longing, willing to be part of the nature, to come out of our houses, come out of cities, to be into the nature, because we were locked down. We were locked down for 3 months, and we still do not have permission to come, to tourist places. But maybe after some time, maybe a couple of more weeks, and we would resume our activities at Nisargshalla campsite. This is a wonderful place, and I know you all would certainly want to come and take part in all these activities. What we do at Nisargshalla is this is a place where we offer participants opportunities. We give them opportunities to connect with nature, and that connection, that bond between a person, an individual, and Mother Nature can only be achieved if that person is part, is coming to the nature itself. Now, we take people to morning hikes to this particular mountain. We do waterfall rappelling. If it's not raining heavily, we do meditation as well. There are many activities that we can do, like sound map. We do blind trails. We do bug hunting. There are many more things that we do, and those things are really helpful for a person to get connected with the nature. And that is Nisargshalla. This campsite is located in an area which is surrounded all round by many hillocks, many mountains, and this is the home of clouds. It is all the time covered with mountains. I hope you all would certainly like to come here. You are willing to come here. Many people are asking me the same question again and again, that when you are going to start your bookings, when are you going to start your registrations? And I keep telling them few more days. But this time it seems that few more days are really going to be few more days, and we would start our bookings, our activities. See you then, and stay tuned to our Facebook page, that is www.facebook.com/nisargshala, or YouTube channel Camping Near Pune. Alright, bye bye.